Welcome back, ID. In this video, we're going to be designing the isometric part 6. So here it is, the finished product. And then this is what you guys will be starting with. So the first thing that I like to do, we're going to do a different approach. We're going to do an additive and subtractive manufacturing design. So for this first one, we're going to count our rectangle here at the bottom, and then we'll add these skateboard ramps after. So it's a 2 high, so 2 times 0.25 is half, 0.5, so then we'll count this length here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a length of 10. 10 times a quarter, 0.25, is 2.5, so that's nice and easy. And then we'll have a depth of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a depth of 5 times 0.25, which is 1.25. So 2 by 10 by 5. Get rid of this. I'm going to make a new component. So, because this is the finished product. ISO 6 demo. I'm going to make it my active. All right, there we go. So we're going to do the XY plane as always. Make a new rectangle. So we set it at a height of 0.5. Then by 2.5 because it was 10 boxes. I'm going to change my background. Sorry, guys. There. Then we're going to extrude it back 5. So negative 1.25. By now, you guys should be familiar with, the units and counting. Because if you guys are doing 6, then you guys have already done a few other parts. So we're going to save as always. So the next thing I'm going to do is make this hole here because we can kind of do the ramps at the same time. So we're going to do this hole. So it's a complete perfect square. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2 each side. And then it goes all the way through. The only thing we have to be careful about is where it is. So you can tell that this hole, the depth was 5. So there's 2 squares in the back, 1 in the front. And then it is completely centered from the sides. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So completely centered, but it's 1 box off the front. So the center of the box is going to be 1.25 off each side, and then this is going to be a quarter 0.25 off the front. So let's do it. So I'm going to create a sketch on the top here. Gonna make a rectangle wherever. So we said it was a perfect square, so it's 0.5 on each. So I'll do that. And then now I'm going to dimension it off the side. So we said it was in the middle. So 2.5 divided by 2, 1.25. So we're going to do there. And then we're going to have it off a quarter off the front. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Something looks wrong. Oh, sorry. I see what I did. So this is right, but the center of this box is 1.25. So it's really only 1 off the side. My bad. There we go. So now it's completely centered. You have your 1, 1, and 0.5 because this whole side is 2.5. So there we go. It's perfectly locked down, constrained. We're going to save. We're going to extrude. Cut the whole way. There you go. Save again. Next thing we're going to do is our ramps. So the ramps are the whole length, so 5 square. And then they have a height of 4. I'm going to make a whole rectangle, and then I'll show you guys how to cut these to make the ramps. So we're going to make another sketch on the top. We're going to make 2 rectangles. So we know they're 2 wide, so that's half, and then they go all the way to the back. So that's already constrained because the dimensions of our box are already there. So I'm going to dimension this side. It's going to be 0.5. Same thing here, 0.5. And then, like I said earlier, we're going to go up 4 boxes. So I'll go up 1. Grab both of these, go up 1. Boom. There we go. Next thing we're going to do is the ramps. So I'm going to use a circle to do it. You could use an arc, which we will be learning that next unit. But I'm going to use a circle. So if I do a circle, kind of this top corner here, and then go down 1 complete inch, because that's what this is, that'll give me this perfect arc here. Because if this is a center circle, I just need the radius. So I'll explain that as I do it. So we're going to do a sketch on this side. So now if I grab the circle, so you can figure out how many boxes it is by doing it. So I'll kind of show that first. So if I grabbed a circle and put it on this corner, which is the imaginary corner that's not here, and I have to go down 4 boxes and also up to the side 4 boxes. So that tells you that the radius of the circle is 1, because it's got an overall depth of 5 and there's only 1 box left. So 1.25 minus 0.25 is your 1. So let's grab the circle again. So the radius is 1, right? But since we're doing with diameter, it's going to be 2. Then that's what we want. So then we're going to extrude, hit this part, and then just cut it all the way back. And there you go. That's how you do the isometric part number 6.